How to hide Facebook friends list. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your Facebook friend list. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So first, of course, open up the Facebook app on your mobile device. Then tap on the three lines in the top right hand corner of the screen. Once here, tap on the gear icon in the top right hand corner to go to settings and privacy. Next, scroll down until you get to audience and visibility. Then tap on how people find and contact you. Here, the second option down, it says who can see your friends list. So tap on that one. And here it says remember your friends control who can see their friendships on their own timelines. If people can see your friendship on another timeline, they'll be able to see it in newsfeed, search and other places on Facebook. If you set this to only me, only you will be able to see your full friends list on your timeline. Other people will only see mutual friends. So you can either set this to public and then anyone on or off Facebook can see your friends list. You can set it to friends, so only your friends on Facebook will be able to see this. Friends accept, so you can limit the friends that you want to be able to see your friends list. Or if you tap on see more, you'll say specific friends, so you can just specify which friends can see your list. Or only me is the last option, where only you will be able to see your friends list. And that's all it takes to hide your Facebook friends list. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.